Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss exit exam questions of elementary first aid. If you like our content, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Question 1. What does A stand for in the acronym DRABC? A. Ambulance, B. Alert, C. Airway and D. Accident. Answer is C. Airway. Question number 2. What is the best way to control bleeding? Option A. Direct pressure. Option B. Use of a tourniquet. Option C. Elevation. And option D. Pressure points. So answer will be A. Direct pressure. Question number 3. A burn should be immersed or placed under water for at least dash minutes. Option A 5 minutes. Option B 10 minutes. Option C 15 minutes. Option D 20 minutes. So answer is B 10 minutes. Question number 4. The symptoms of shock includes option A low blood pressure, option B rapid shallow breathing, option C rapid weak pulse and option D all of the above. So answer is D all of the above. Question number 5. When caring for someone who has suffered an electric shock, you would not option A check breathing and pulse, B check for possible fractures, C cool the burned areas and D treat for shock. So answer will be B check for possible fractures. Question number 6. Fluid should not be given by dash when internal injury is suspected. Option A ears, option B nose, option C IV injections and option D mouth. So answer will be C IV injections. Question number 7. What is an open fracture? Option A fracture in which the bone ends can move around. Option B a fracture in which the bone is exposed as the skin is broken. Option C a fracture which causes complications such as a punctured lung. Option D a fracture in which the bone has bent and split. Answer is B a fracture in which the bone is exposed as the skin is broken. Question number 8. What should you do if you think the victim has serious internal bleeding? Option A apply heat to the injured area. Option B give fluids to replace blood loss. Option C call for medical assistance as quickly as possible. And option D place the victim in a sitting position. Answer is C call for medical assistance as quickly as possible. Question 9. How should you open the airway of an unconscious casualty? Option A head tilt and chin lift. Option B jaw thrust. Option C head tilt and jaw thrust. Option D lift the chin. So answer is A head tilt and chin lift. Question 10. What steps would you take to control bleeding from a nosebleed? Option A sit casualty down, lean forward and pinch soft part of nose. Option B sit casualty down, lean backward and pinch soft part of nose. Option C lie casualty down and pinch soft part of nose. Option D lie casualty down and pinch top of nose. So answer is A sit casualty down, lean forward and pinch soft part of nose. Question 11. What is fainting? A response to fear. B an unexpected collapse. C a brief loss of consciousness and D a sign of flu. So answer is C a brief loss of consciousness. 12. What is the best definition of the hurry cases? Option A breathing, bleeding and broken bones. Option B any condition that threatens victim's life. Option C any illness where the victim vomits. Option D any accident requiring arm sling. So answer is B any condition that threatens victim's life. Question 13. An unconscious casualty is lying on their back and has a broken leg. What position is best for the casualty? Option A, leave them as they are. Option B, sitting up position. Option C, recovery position. And option D, lying down with the legs raised. Answer is C, recovery position. Question 14. What is first aid? A, completing a primary survey. B, the first help given to the victim of an accident. C, assessing a victim's vital signs. D, treating a victim for shock. Answer will be B, the first help given to the victim of an accident. Question 15. To treat a first degree burn, you should: option A, apply a good quality burn cream or ointment. Option B, clean the area thoroughly with hot soapy water. Option C, apply a constricting band between the burn and the hurt. Option D, apply cool running water until there is little or no remaining pain. Answer will be D. Question 16. What should a casualty with severe allergy carry at all times? Option A, insulin. Option B, SCQ. Option C, adrenaline. Option D, aspirin. So answer will be C, adrenaline. Question 17. What is the ratio of compressions to breaths when performing CPR? Option A, 15 breaths 1 compression. Option B, 20 breaths 2 compression. Option C, 30 compression 2 breath. And option D, 30 breaths 2 compressions for adult and 15 breaths 1 compression for children. Answer will be C, 30 compressions and 2 breaths. Question number 18. To flush an eye that has been exposed to a chemical, have the injured eye lower than the unaffected eye. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 19. Which of the following includes the top layers of skin and involve blistering? Option A, first degree burns. Option B, second degree burns. Option C, third degree burns. And option D, all of the above. Answer will be B, second degree burns. Question number 20. When dealing with an unconscious casualty, we should check up to dash for normal breathing. Option A, 5 seconds. Option B, 10 seconds. Option C, 20 seconds. And option D, 30 seconds. So answer will be B, 10 seconds. Question 21. What is the best method of avoiding accident in workplace? Option A, by wearing safety equipment. Option B, doing things in one's own way. Option C, by observing safety precautions. And option D, doing things with highly skilled working practice. Answer is C, by observing safety precautions. Question 22. What will be the effect if a person shows the symptoms of drowsiness? Option A, activeness. Option B, laziness. Option C, conscious. And option D, unconscious. Answer will be D, unconscious. Question number 23. Which of the following behaviors reduces your risk for injury? Option A, always wearing a safety belt when working. Option B, limiting intake of alcohol. Option C, limiting intake of foods high in cholesterol. Option D, both A and B. So answer will be D, both A and B. Question number 24. A wound where there is damage to the soft tissue and blood vessels under the skin is called: option A, scrape. Option B, cut. Option C, bruise. And option D, avulsion. Answer will be C, bruise. Question number 25. When performing CPR on an adult, how deep should the chest compressions be? Option A, 1.5 inches. Option B, 2 inches. Option C, 2.5 inches. And option D, 3 inches. So correct answer is B, 2 inches. Question number 26. Shock is a condition where: Option A, the respiratory system fails to deliver air to the lungs. Option B, the cardiovascular system fails to deliver blood to the heart. Option C, the circulatory system fails to deliver blood to all parts of the body. And option D, all of the above. So correct answer is C, the circulatory system fails to deliver blood to all parts of the body. Question number 27. What do you do for a victim who has a bleeding injury to the mouth and you are sure that there is no head, neck or spine injury? Option A, keep victim seated with head tilted slightly forward. Option B, keep victim seated with head tilted slightly backward. Option C, have the victim lie down on their side. And option D, either A or C. Answer will be D, either A or C. Question number 28. What symptoms are associated with heat exhaustion? Option A, cool, moist, pale or flushed skin. Option B, rapid, weak pulse. Option C, rapid, shallow breathing. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is A, cool, moist, pale or flushed skin. Question number 29. When caring for someone who is suffering from frostbite, you should not, option A, soak affected part in the warm water 100 to 105 degrees. Option B, rub vigorously until skin appears red and feels warm. Option C, handle area gently. And option D, avoid breaking blisters. Answer will be B, rub vigorously until skin appears red and feels warm. Question number 30. When giving care for external bleeding, what should you do first? Option A, elevate the injury. Option B, apply direct pressure. Option C, apply a loose dressing. D, apply a tourniquet. Answer will be B, apply direct pressure. Thank you friends for watching this video.